Hey guys, how you doing? Hey, just giving you reports on updates of earthquakes. There was a 6.5 magnitude that struck the Maluku Islands, and it says that it struck about 8:45 a.m. local time there, and there's no tsunami at the present time, but it was a strong earthquake that hit the city of Ambon, and 23 miles northeast of Ambon. So a 6.5 earthquake just hit there, and so there's some situations there that happened there. But here's more information regarding that, on more earthquakes on that.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.